Syed. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone. This is Syed with you. Welcome everyone. Wa alaikum salam. Taki, how are you doing? So we're having an NFP report in round about 15 minutes. Round about 15 minutes are left for that. I'm sorry for my condition today. I'm not feeling so well today. My bad for this. So we're having a data in round about 14 to 15 minutes. It's ADP non-farm employment change. It's an monthly data. It's from US. So for those of you who don't know what it is, we're going to be understanding it. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so these are the conditions these are the conditions for which is going in gold. It's trading at 50.39. 50.39. And I've been seeing a lot of things going on. So we're having a few minutes left for the data. So we're going to be understanding what are the pros and cons of the data and what based on the result of the report, what can actually happen in the market. So we are going to be understanding that as well. Yes, Taki, आप कर सकते हो आराम आराम से करो with proper risk management. तो yeah, scalping करो क्या मुश्किल है. So right now we are seeing gold prices trading at 50.46, 44 or something. And some kind of volatility we are able to see today. So we're having around about 13 minutes left for it. Okay. So let's try to analyze some charts plus on the same time, let's see what data do we have. It's ADP non-farm employment change at 5:15 Dubai Standard Time. And we're having one more data, ISM services PMI at 7 p.m. Dubai Standard Time. Good evening, Petrol. तकी से भी छोटे लेने की कोशिश करो. Okay. So based on today's data, let's try to understand what's going on within the past 24 hours in the market, in the international markets. So basically, the US dollar have been really strong nowadays. Based on, I'm going to put the chart over here for gold. These are the prices of gold. So the US dollar have been strong recently because traders expect tighter monetary policy from the Federal Reserve, the central bank actually. A strong dollar often pressures currencies like Euro USD, pound versus US dollar, and also commodities like gold and silver. So today, traders are closely watching the ADP jobs report for the US, which is a key lead indicator before the big non-farm payrolls release later in this week. So this focus raises general volatility happening in the market. Traders are adjusting positions ahead of crucial US labor numbers. So in the past sessions, precious metals like gold and silver have been jumping up and down sharply, sometimes moving several percent in one single day, right? So gold nowadays have been becoming really, really crazy. So the main reasons for the volatility is the uncertainty on US jobs and the rate path. So traders don't yet know how strong the US economy really is. Every jobs number and inflation data point could change expectations for the US interest rates. If traders think the Federal Reserve will raise interest rates more than expected, that usually strengthens the US dollar and pushes gold and silver down. So if traders think the Fed will cut or pause hikes, that can weaken the US dollar and push gold and silver up. This back and forth expectation plus big moves in the dollar causes wide swings in gold and silver prices. So, what is going on nowadays? Speculation and profit taking. Because gold and silver hit multi-year highs recently. Some traders take profits quickly, causing sharp retracements. So in simple terms, gold and silver are volatile because traders are uncertain about US interest rates and jobs. And every tick of data changes how they price the dollar and safe assets. So now, today we are having this report. So what does it mean, right? What is ADP non-farm employment change? How should we care about it? What's going to happen after this? So let's try to understand. So the ADP non-farm employment change is a monthly report that estimates how many jobs were added or lost in the US private sector. It's produced by ADP Research Institute based on payroll data from companies. So think of it as preview or early hint of the official US government jobs figures like the non-farm payrolls. So why do we care? Why do we care about this data? What's so special about it? These numbers matter because it gives clues about what's going to happen next. Economy strength. If this is the thing, this means more jobs. If this is the case, then economy is actually growing. So if, in other terms, inflation pressure, if payrolls and wages rise fast, inflation can stay hot. Based on this report, Fed interest rate expectations you can analyze. The strong jobs data makes the Fed less likely to cut the interest rates. Weaker jobs data sometimes increase the bets on rate cuts. So what is going to be the impact today? After the ADP actual number, after the report, which is happening round about 8 minutes. So here's how market typically react right after the ADP figure is actually released. So when the figure is actually released, if ADP shows stronger than expected job growth, traders may think the US economy is strong. In this case, US dollar often strengthens, right? It becomes stronger. Riskier currencies gets weaker versus the US dollar, right? So gold and silver may fall because they are trading against the US dollar. Okay. So if the ADP shows a weaker than expected or negative job growth, traders think the economy might be slowing. So the US dollar is going to become weaker, most likely. Gold and silver can jump as traders, they want to move into the safer assets. So basically, strong ADP means strong dollar. Strong dollar means weaker gold, weaker silver, and currency crosses. If the report is weak, if weak ADP, this means that the US dollar is becoming weaker. If this is the case, then stronger gold, stronger silver, and volatile Forex pairs. So this is why today's ADP number can move markets quickly and with big swings, especially ahead of the actual non-farm payrolls report later in this week. So right now, markets are nervous. Everyone is watching the US job numbers and interest rate expectations. So good jobs is equal to strong US dollar and pressured gold and silver. Weak jobs is equal to US dollar falls and metals and Forex volatility rises. So that's how it's going to be happening today. Okay, so now let's try to analyze the gold, make some analysis. Right now, gold seems to be bearish. Okay. Nothing can be done according to me as of now. We're having around 5 minutes left for the data. So let's see other instruments. Let's see crude oil. Crude oil, also nothing special. Let's see. Okay. This is silver trading right now at $90 per ounce. Nasdaq going down. And for those of you And for those of you who knows us for like last few days, or they have joined us for the last few days, would know that we had an active position of Nasdaq, which was having a good floating loss, and I closed it partially and was holding partial trades. So that partial trades yesterday got closed in profit, since the analysis which we made was successful, but obviously it took some time to hit the target. So yesterday, after cutting losses, profits, and the previous trades, we were left behind with a $498 profit. Before that, we were having the previous day, we were having around $2,500 profit. And today we are having around about $181 so far. And the day has, the session has just started. Plus there is this ADP report. So we're going to be trading and seeing that how much we actually able to make out of it. Okay. So now let's go back to the charts. USD JPY rising, and it was some overbought actually today, based on which it's right now coming down. All the Japanese pairs were very, very weaker today. So if you see GBP JPY, if you see Euro JPY, if you see CAD JPY, if you see AUD JPY, all of them, they were rising. Yeah. So let's go to pound versus US dollar. I don't see anything special. Same is the case with Euro USD, AUD USD, nothing special. Let's see pound versus Australian dollar. It's going down day by day. Anyhow, let's go with dollar index. Okay, dollar index is also not having some big volatility. Bitcoin trading at $76,000. That's crazy. Let's go to Dow Jones. Dow Jones is at trading at some minor resistance. It can resist over here and try to do something out of it. Ethereum trading at 2,200. DAX trading at 24,700 something. Nothing major. Although some buying can be actually done from here. It's not a bad level, to be honest. So let's go to the charts. Let's go to the charts and buy some DAX. I'm going to go with 0.20 and let's see how does it go. It looks not bad, to be honest. Oh, yes, Virat. Oh, you were there that day, yeah? Now I remember you. Great. Okay. We can buy some gold from here. Let's go with 0.20 and instant profits. We're going to give this a take profit. Both of our trades are in profit as of now. We're having almost 1 minute left for the data. So let's see how does it go. Let's see. Okay. DAX is having some good. I'm going to give this a take profit and let's see when do we close it. Gold is also in profit. That's great, Virat. Lovely. That's lovely. Vessel, can I have some water? Okay. 15 seconds left for the data. And we have placed our buy positions in gold. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Hey, the data is live. We're going to be checking out the reports as well. But our gold trade is in profit. That's lovely. That's lovely. Perfect. So if your analysis are right, it's going to be a mixture of the fundamental data as well. So each and everything is going to be cooperating with you if your analysis are on point. Okay. So gold, yeah, the data is negative. So as I discussed earlier, within the starting of this session, so if the data is negative, it's going to be bearish for dollar. Similarly, gold is going to be rising. So that is what actually happened right now. This is the data which is just negative. Yeah, here we go. Let's see, USD JPY. Yes, it's going down. So I think I'm going to be selling one lot from here. And let's see how does it go. Although we are late, I realized it actually late, or else I would have opened it earlier. But that's totally fine. Pound, euro, yes. All of these things, you're gonna be going like same time in the same direction, since it's trading against the US dollar. So yes, that's how it's gonna be happening. So the trades which we're doing, they're strictly scalping. 95% of the trades we close same time. We just keep some of the trades if you're in good profit for the day. We roll it over with proper risk management. But that's also very rare. Like Nasdaq trade, we held it for a while that day. That's the latest trade which we held it for a while. Or else we usually close at same time. Okay. So now USD JPY is retracing back. It's GBP JPY. Still, there is some good potential in GBP JPY to go down. Yeah, it's at a daily resistance as well, trading at 214.900. Whoa, USD JPY going up really quick. Let us wait for a while before we take a necessary action. Let's see. I think I'm going to be placing some small trades in gold once again. Or shall we wait? Let's go with 0.15. Yalla. Give this a take profit. Yes. In profit. That's fabulous. Let me check where at. Let me check. Usually I don't trade in cryptos. Let's check it out from the daily time frame. Yes, you can say it's at a good support, to be honest. No doubt. That's correct. It's a good support. For long term also, you can hold it. It's at a good, reasonable prices. So you can buy and hold. Yeah. Not a bad idea, to be honest. Okay, gold coming down again. Whoever joined yesterday, if you guys remember, we had a pending order at, I don't know what level it was. Let me check yesterday's history. Yesterday was third. Okay. So yesterday, yeah, here you go. 49.58. If you guys remember, for those of you who joined me yesterday would know that I had a pending order, a sell limit for gold at a higher level, but unfortunately it did not get triggered during the live session. After the live session, there was some volatility happening, based on which it got triggered and successfully got closed in profit. That's handsome. So yeah, that's how it actually went. And yeah, this other trade also got closed in profit. That's wonderful. Yeah. So $313 booked so far. So far. That's nice. Yallah. Let's hunt some more opportunities. We want volatility. If the market is consolidating, it's of no use. Like, we cannot scalp. Yeah. Look at natural gas, guys. For those of you who remember, like natural gas is at decent levels. If you're planning buys for a longer term, it's the time. It's the time. If it goes further down, you can average it. British pound, USD JPY. Oh, gold going actually up. Look at these candles of USD JPY. Let's send some more opportunities. Okay. What's wrong with DAX? Bitcoin down further. You can see some sellings from here for gold. So why don't we scalp? Some scalping can be done over here. So why not? Yes. Why not? $20? No. It's a profit. Come on. Okay. Can we see some retracement? Yes, we can. One more dollar. One more dollar. Yes, coming down. But because the GPY is strange, reacting strange, although that is also supposed to go down from here. Yeah, just like this. Just like that. It literally went to overtake profit, but it did not trigger. Yes, now it triggered. Great. So $346 so far. $346 so far. USD GPY is not reacting nice. So I think it's time to take an action. This is taking action, but gold is also going up on the same time. Gold is also going up on the same time. Yes, the key, you're right. That will be gold against some crypto, definitely. Like XAU versus BTC, XAU, USDT, XAU, ETH, something like this. Right. No? Later. So this is the case. Okay. So let's see the dollar index. What does it say? Dollar index is not that good as of now. Okay, let's put some gold. Gold, some small selling can be done once again, I think. So why not? Yes. Scalp trades only. Scalping only. Yeah, TP hit. That's wonderful. Now we want USD to go down. And DAX is fine. I think it's not that bad. Like, no issues. But I'm concerned about USD. Like, DAX is super fine. I'm having zero issues with DAX. But USD is not doing great. It is not doing good. Small selling again in gold. We're going to closing it manually. Let's put it to take profit. Yeah. $2 of gold, 200 points. Okay. We want gold to go in some good volatility so that we can open some big volume, actually. All right. So let us close this gold early. It's not looking good. This on USD No volatility seen. Okay. It's time for USDGPY to take an action against. So I'm going to give this a stop loss of $151. And we're going to be focusing on further trades. You're not going to be sitting at within one trade and, you know, gold is trying to break this trend. So I think we're going to be buying gold once again. Yes, let's buy and try to recover the loss of USDGPY. Yes, lovely. Further increase. Yallah. I'm going to be putting a trailing stop loss once it goes further up. Yes, let's put a trailing stop loss. So we are having a trailing stop loss. This means that if the market comes down near to our break-even point, it's going to get close in profit, not in loss, even if it goes against us. That's lovely. Trail further. Let's figure out. Let's see. Like we're covered, so it's fine. We are actually covered. Couple of more pushes before. Yes. It's again stuck in the zone. Let it go. Let it go. Okay. It hit in a trading stop loss and we're left behind with $1 profit. No issues. Let's open one more. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Trading stop loss. Let it go further up so that I'm going to adjust it further. Yes. Successful. Yes. I'm going to trade my stop loss further. Couple of more pushes before it goes down. Couple of more pushes. I think he's live, Virat. Mm-hmm. How much did we make? $22 out of it. USD GPY is going towards our stop loss. That's fine. Let's open a buy again. Yes. Okay. That USD GPY trade closed in loss, so we're having net $221 profit. No issues. Okay, gold going down again. Increase our volume to average. Prepare for buys. Let's buy. Let's see how does it go. We're gonna be closing both together. Trading stop loss. I'm gonna be trading it. Wow, that's nice. Trade it further. And it go up to 50.61. Perfect, lovely. Trade again. Trade again. Wow. Great. Yes, it hit again. I'm gonna reduce the volume and buy again. Give it a take profit of around about here. And our trading stop loss. It's a stop loss. Below here. Buy again. Check in. Okay, check in. One very good closing loss. Now this is a good zone to buy. I'm gonna buy again. Some excessive buyings today. Reduce GGP1, pound, dollar, NASDAQ. Okay, that's lovely. It did not hit the TP. It was actually very close to it, but it did not hit. It did not trigger. It's okay. Let's see how does it go now. Finally, our DAX trade is also in profit. But anyhow, we are right now concerned on gold. Hmm. It's going down again. Retracements. Let's buy one final time before it goes down. Let's average it. We're having 0.57 volume of gold. 0.57. $500 floating now. Big move. $8 move in a single candle. This is not a bad zone actually, guys. It's not a bad zone at all. It's a good zone, decent zone. Let's see now how does it go. This is the next good zone for buying. 27, 50, 27, 26, somewhere around. So obviously we're going to be opening a bigger volume over there. No doubt at all. Somewhere around here. We're going to be buying $800 booked. $27 is the good level. Next possible good level. 27, 50, 27. Finding some correction. Corrections. Let us see. Okay. I think we're not going to be needing further to average it. It's going back to its direction. It's going back to its direction. You guys TT going down now after hitting your stop loss. It's fine. This is market, guys. This is market for you. No issues. So retracing back. It literally turned around from the place where we bought it from. What is DAX doing? DAX same place. Dow Jones going down. And USDJPY also going down. And where we closed it, where we sold it from, we sold it from 156.517. Nearly very near to that place where we bought it from, sold it from. Oh, come on. Gold became slow once again. Come on. Yes. This kind of candle we want. I'm gonna be closing this trade or no? Yes, TP hit. Okay. Couple of more pushes. I'm gonna close this also manually. So now this trade is left. I'm gonna reduce this take profit to here. Better. And I think close this manually. Yes. So we're having only one trade left in gold. So far we managed to make around $317 after cutting positions in losses, profits, purely scalping. So that's trade also in profit. We're gonna be holding it for a while. Similarly, gold also going up. That's lovely. Hmm. So these two trades, I think they are bearable. If you want, we can even hold it because the kind of equity we were having and the profits which we were having for the day, it's bearable. It is bearable. Hmm. Let's see, USDGP once again. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. You see, guys, it's going down. So our analysis were on point, but still our stop loss hit. Still our stop loss hit. But it's fine. This is market. You need to manage your risk accordingly. Even though if you cut the trades in loss, still you're in profit, right? So it's part of the game. You need to give to the market. Yes, I'm having one DAX trade and one gold trade, which is active. Still, you're late, Rajul. Come on, time. You are almost like we come live daily 5 to 6 the way standard time. So make sure you join on time. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you know whenever we are live or whenever there is an update, you don't miss it. Right? One last trade before we end up the session. Get Rajul. Can this trade get closed before we end today's session? Let us see. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's nice. I'm gonna close it manually. Oh, it could close automatically. Perfect. So far, we managed to make $330 after cutting profits and losses. And we're having one small trade of DAX, which probably is going to take some time, maybe probably after the stock market open, US stock market, since if you see it is consolidating so since more than an hour now. Yeah. So I think I'm going to be holding it. Oh, damn, it's going up now. So this was my original target where it is trading right now, but it's fine. We managed to make good profits. We are happy with that. And we're closing for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys took some trades out of it. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel so that you don't miss any update in the future. And yeah, that's it for the day. See you all tomorrow, same time, same place. Make sure you join on time so that you don't miss anything. Initially, we discussed some ideas. We discussed about the market. We discussed about the updates. We discussed about the news. We discussed about the fundamental data before we take in trade, right? So make sure you guys join on time. And that's it for the day. See you all tomorrow, same place, same time. Make sure you come on time. Until next time, guys, take care of yourself.